Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Data Saver on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll until you find data usage and media quality. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of data saver. Enable it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can enable data saver on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.